This is the Mambo Parrot mini drone with attached camera. This drone is €150, and I'm just showing you this is what the app for this thing looks like. It's quite easy to drive with just the app, or I should say pilot with the app, and the app gives you lots of choices, changing various settings, changing the pilot settings, changing the altitude. You can also adjust the first person view, because this particular drone comes with a pair of goggles which I couldn't really get to work. Everything was just blurred when I put them on. You can also change your camera. And in terms of using the app, it's pretty easy to use. You do of course get a remote control with this, which is, I guess, a bit easier to use. And I've never had a drone before, so I think if I can do it, anyone can navigate that this particular drone. This is me kind of testing how high the thing can go. It's quite light, so you won't be able to fly it if there's much wind out, but otherwise it can cover kind of a fair bit of distance. And it's pretty steady with the app. I found when you use the remote control, sometimes it can, I've heard that there can be interference between the remote control and the app, and I have had instances when I kind of lost control a little bit. Not here, this is just me being stupid, nearly taking my own head off with the thing. But I'd recommend it as if anyone is interested in getting a first drone they want to practice on before you were going to spend more money. This is a good one. I did have a couple of mishaps, and they all happened when I was using the remote control. This was one of them. The thing just kind of got away from me and went onto the roof, and although I'm able to kind of turn it around, I lost control and it stayed on the roof overnight. This is one of many collisions, but it's strong enough that it's not going to break on you immediately. This was another time that it just kind of flew away on me completely. Almost crossed that hedge, but just got caught in the trees. In spite of those few mishaps though, it's still a very good little drone, and I would recommend it to anybody who's planning on buying a first drone.